Hello everyone, welcome to FG Law Kit channel. In this video, we will discuss UGC NET PYQ December attempt 2019. If you want PYQs of UGC NET and other competitive exams, then you can visit our website sortmylawschool.com and download it for free of cost. And let's begin with our first question. The maxim dynam sign injuria means. डायनम साइन इंजरी का खुद का मतलब ही डैमेज विदाउट इंजरी होता है, तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डैमेज और लॉस विदाउट इंफ्रिंजमेंट ऑफ लीगल राइट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, assertion subject to rules of just Kogan local customary law can supplement or derogate from general custom. एकदम सही स्टेटमेंट है. जस्ट कोगन्स का मतलब होता है फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लॉ. रीजन, इंटरनेशनल लॉ डज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लोकल कस्टम. ये गलत स्टेटमेंट है. इंटरनेशनल लॉ डज रिकॉग्नाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लोकल कस्टम. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स. Next question is, American act likely to spread infection or disease dangerous to life and making atmosphere noxious to health are punishable offense for environment protection. But the punishment are meager to meet objectives. Under which of the following law such meager punishment is given? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इंडियन पीनल कोड. सेक्शन 270 जो है वो इसकी बात करता है एंड BNS भारतीय न्याय संहिता के अंदर सेक्शन 272 एंड इसकी पनिशमेंट है इम्प्रिजनमेंट एक्सटेंड टू 2 years और फाइन और बोथ. एंड जितना भी जो भी पार्ट है जो रेट के अंदर गिवन है वो क्वेश्चन पेपर में मेंशन नहीं है. ये सिर्फ आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए और रिवीजन के लिए मैंने स्लाइड्स में मेंशन किया है. तो ये बात हमेशा याद रखना, जो आगे की जितनी भी स्लाइड्स है जहाँ पे रेट में जो भी पार्ट लिखा हुआ है वो क्वेश्चन पेपर का पार्ट नहीं है, वो सिर्फ आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए, आपके रिवीजन के लिए है. Next question is, mention the following decisions in chronological order on extradition. A. Mubarak Ali Ahmed vs. State of Bombay. B. Hans Muller of Nuremberg vs. Superintendent Presidency Jail, Kolkata and others. Ram Babu Saxena vs. State of Madras vs. C.G. Menon. तो सबसे पहले अपना राम बाबू सक्सेना वर्सेस स्टेट हो गया क्योंकि 1950 में आया था. देन उसके बाद स्टेट ऑफ मद्रास वर्सेस CG मेनन, ये 1954 में आया था. देन उसके बाद हंस मुलर ऑफ नोरमबर्ग केस वो 1955 में एंड मुबारक अली अहमद केस 1957 में. तो इसका ऑप्शन बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, arrange the provisions of Trademark Act 1999 in chronological order section wise. First, classification of goods and services, ये सेक्शन 7 में है. रेगुलेशन इन केस ऑफ ऑनेस्ट कंकरेंट यूज एक्सेट्रा, ये रेगुलेशन नहीं है, यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशन है, ये सेक्शन 12 में है. लिमिटेशन एज टू कलर्स, ये सेक्शन 10 एंड एब्सोल्यूट ग्राउंड्स फॉर रिफ्यूजल ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन, ये सेक्शन 9 में है. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. आपको हमेशा से सेक्शन और उसका जो प्रोविजन है वो याद होना चाहिए क्योंकि ऐसे क्वेश्चन UGC नेट में बहुत आते हैं. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा सेक्शन किस चीज के बारे में बोलता है ताकि आप क्लियर कर सके, उसको ऐसे क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में लगा सकें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which section of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with matrimonial remedy of divorce? सेक्शन 13 बात करता है, सेक्शन 13(1)(a) बात करता है, सेक्शन 13(b) बात करता है, बट सेक्शन 17 नहीं करता. सेक्शन 17 जो है वो पनिशमेंट फॉर बाइगैमी है. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अ वैलिड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैन बी एंटर इनटू बिटवीन पार्टीज अंडर इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिव्स लीगल रिकॉग्निशन टू सच कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? सेक्शन 10A ऑफ IT एक्ट, सेक्शन 65B ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट, सेक्शन 1(4) ऑफ IT एक्ट, सेक्शन 63 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट. जो ये क्वेश्चन है ना वो पूछ रहा है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट थ्रू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन. तो इसमें जो करेक्ट है वो है ऑप्शन A एंड ऑप्शन B. ऑप्शन C गलत है. ऑप्शन C जो है वो बात करता है शॉर्ट टाइटल एक्सटेंड एंड कमेंसमेंट की, और जो 63 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट है वो बात करता है सेकेंडरी एविडेंस की. तो जो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Next question is, the International Court of Justice is indeed a sine qua non for establishment of rule of law in interstate relation is said by Justice Nagendra Singh. Next, which of the following section of Patent Act 1970 provides for the subject matter that are not invention under the Act? It's option number B, Section 3. सेक्शन 7 जो है वो बात करता है फॉर्म ऑफ एप्लीकेशन की. सेक्शन 10 जो है वो बात करता है कंटेंट्स ऑफ स्पेसिफिकेशन की. एंड सेक्शन 11 जो है बात करता है प्रायोरिटी डेट्स ऑफ क्लेम ऑफ अ कंप्लीट स्पेसिफिकेशन. Next question is, which of the following is not a valid defense in tort? It's option number D, ex dolo malo non operant acto. इसका मतलब होता है action arise from the deceased. प्राइवेट डिफेंस होता है, वॉलंटारी नॉन फिट इंजूरिया होता है, डिफेंस होता है टॉर्ट में, विस मेजर होता है. वॉलंटारी नॉन फिट इंजूरिया का मतलब होता है वॉलंटरी टेकिंग इंजरी, एंड विस मेजर का मतलब होता है एक्ट ऑफ सुपीरियर फोर्स such as act of God. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct as per Article 11 of Agreements Establishing WTO? The main functions of WTO are to administer and promote agreements on individual and multinational agreements. Wrong. To administer the rules and procedure governing the settlements of dispute. Correct. To administer the trade policy review mechanism. Correct. To coordinate IMF, TBRD and World Bank on regional economic policy. Wrong. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. लिस्ट 1 जो है वो सेक्शंस ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट है, एंड लिस्ट 2 जो है उनके प्रोविजंस हैं. सेक्शन 5(1) जो है वो बात करता है मोनोगैमी की. सेक्शन 7 जो है वो बात करता है सेरेमनीज की. सेक्शन 8 रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ मैरिज, एंड सेक्शन 5(3) है यहाँ पे, वो है मैरिजेबल एज की. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कुड बी कंसिडर्ड टू बी एडवांटेजेस ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन ओवर प्रेसिडेंट? ए, एब्रोगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी, फोर नॉलेज, प्रोस्पेक्टिव एप्लीकेशन और सिस्टमैटिक एग्रीमेंट. ये चारों ही करेक्ट है, तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Next question is, Constitution of India requires a state to adopt protectionist policy and improvement policy. Which one of the following article declares the above? It's Article 48A, option number C. Article 48 जो है वो बात करता है प्रोटेक्शन एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, एंड सेफगार्ड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ भी इसी के अंदर इंक्लूड होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मैच द फॉलोइंग केसेस डिसाइडेड बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट गिवन. फर्स्ट, हुसैनरा खातून वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बिहार जो है वो स्पीडी ट्रायल का है. मुरली एस वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो बैन ऑन स्मोकिंग इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे है. लक्ष्मीकांत पांडे वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो चाइल्ड वेलफेयर पे है. एंड सुनील बत्रा वर्सेस दिल्ली एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है वो प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट इनह्यूमन ट्रीटमेंट इन जेल, इसके ऊपर है. तो इसका आंसर है वो बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Next question is, the provision of constitution are not mathematical formulas having their essence in their form. They are organic living institutions transplanted from English soil. Their significance is vital, not formal. It is to be gathered not simply by taking the words a dictionary, but by considering their origin and the line of their growth. The observation is made by Holmes. Option number B. Next question is, the Supreme Court or High Court in exercise of power of judicial review can declare a law passed by Parliament or state legislature as invalid on grounds that it is not within the competence of legislature which passed the law. Correct? It is in contravention of the fundamental rights stipulated in Part 3 of Constitution or any other provisions of the Constitution. Correct? The legislature did not apply its mind, or it was promoted by some improper motive, or it was arbitrary or unreasonable. Wrong. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Next question is, which of the following is the composition of International Bill of Human Rights? Universal Declaration of Human Rights, correct. International Convent of Civil and Political Rights, correct. The International Convent of Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, correct. The optional protocol to the International Convent on Civil and Political Rights, correct. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन सी. Next question is, mention the following cases in chronological order on election commission. A. Kuldeep Nair versus Union of India. B. T.N. Sehsan versus Union of India. C. People's Union of Civil Liberties versus Union of India. D. S.N. Dhanoa versus Union of India. कुलदीप नायर केस जो है वो 2006 का है. T.N. सहसन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो 1995 का है. पीपल्स यूनियन फॉर सिविल लिबर्टीज जो है 2013 का है. एंड S.N. धनोआ वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया जो है 1991 का है. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Next question is, which of the following factors are responsible for judicial activism in India? A. Denial of court access to poor, downtrodden, and underprivileged sections of the society who do not have sufficient means to approach the court. Correct. Maladministration, misuse of public, and rampant corruption. Correct. Increasing social problems as environmental pollution, child labor, smoking in public, pitiable conditions of prisoners, and exploitation of women. Correct. Gross violation of human rights. Correct. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Convention of Nationality was adopted in 1928. No, ये गलत है. 1997 में हुआ था. Convention of Nationality of Married Women was adopted in 1957. Correct. Convention on the Reduction of Statelessness was adopted in 1961. Correct. Convention on the Nationality of Newborn Child was adopted in 1938. Wrong. ये 1989 में हुआ था. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Next question is, match the theories of jurisprudence with the juris associated with it. Spirit of people, Savigny. Social solidarity, Digit. Decades of reasoning, Thomas. Social control, Eyring. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Next question is, which one of the following jurists asserts that law and morality are complementary and supplementary to each other? It's H.L. Hart, option number C. Next question is, Right to Education Act seeks to provide free and compulsory education to all children between 6 and 14 years. But a modification in Child Labour Act formalizes employment of children between 0 to 14 years in the family enterprises. Therefore, which of the following ILO's convention is violated? It's Convention 138 and Convention 182. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Next question is, to constitute the offence of kidnapping from lawful guardianship under Section 361 of IPC, the age of minor should be under 18 years if male, wrong. Under 16 years if male, right. Under 18 years if female, right. Under 16 years if female, wrong. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. और भारतीय न्याय संहिता एक्ट में इसका सेक्शन है 137. Question is, according to Article 233 of Constitution of India, appointment of district judges shall be made by the Governor of State in consultation with the High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to such state. Option number C. Next question is, frustration of contract implies physical impossibility due to disappearance of subject matter of contract or object has failed to materialize. Option number D. Section 56 of Indian Contract Act talks about doctrine of frustration. Next question is, the law of nation is that collection of usages which civilized states have agreed to observe in their dealings with one another. This definition of international law is given by Lord Coleridge in Queen vs. King. Next question is, special provisions in insurance law are required to compensation in case of hit-and-run motor accidents. Section 161 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 makes the special provisions for payment of compensation in respect of death of or grievous hurt person resulting from hit-and-run motor accidents. दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं वो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. बोथ A and R are true. And R is the correct explanation of A. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Article 353 of Constitution of India deals with effect of proclamation of emergency. Correct. Article 354 of Constitution of India deals with income generating power of governor during emergency. Wrong. आर्टिकल 354 जो है वो बात करता है नेशनल इमरजेंसी की. आर्टिकल 355 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया डील्स विद ड्यूटी ऑफ यूनियन टू प्रोटेक्ट स्टेट्स अगेंस्ट एक्सटर्नल एग्रेशन एंड आर्म रिबेलियन. करेक्ट. आर्टिकल 356 of Constitution of India deals with imposition of emergency during local disturbance by militant or terrorist. नहीं, wrong. आर्टिकल 356 जो है वो बात करता है स्टेट इमरजेंसी की. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which one of the following is not a primary source of Muslim law? It's option number C, taqlid. Next question, following are good defense to the action in tort. Act of God, yes. Voluntary non-fit injuria, yes. Private defense, yes. Trustee of son tort, wrong. Trustee of son tort का मतलब होता है trustee is liable to the act done by him. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Next question is, consider the following statements and point out which statements are related to positivism. Laws are command, correct. Analysis of legal concept is distinct from sociological and historical schools, correct. Decisions can be deducted logically with resources to morality, wrong. The laws as it is has to be kept separate from laws ought to be, correct. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following statement is true? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी. इन निकारागुआ वर्सेस यूएसए द वर्ल्ड कोर्ट बाय मेजॉरिटी हैज टेकन द व्यू that the sources of international law are not hierarchical but are necessarily complementary and interrelated. निकारागुआ वर्सेस यूएसए जो है वो 1986 का केस है. नेक्स्ट, preamble of National Green Tribunal Act 2010 does not mention Johannesburg Conference, option number A. Next, in the British Constitution, there is no such thing as the absolute separation of legislative, executive, and judicial power. In practice, it is inevitable that they overlap. In Constitution of France and USA, attempts to keep the orbits of the government rigidly apart have been made but have proved unsuccessful. This position of doctrine of separation of power has been summed up by Dornberg Committee. Next question is, to constitute the offence of affray under section 159 of Indian Penal Code, there must be only one person, wrong. Two or more persons, correct. Fighting in public place to disturb public peace, correct. Fighting in private place, wrong. तो इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. एंड इन भारतीय न्याय संहिता सेक्शन इज 194 फॉर affray. Next question is, who among the following said that there is, in essence, no difference between the legal personality of a company that of an individual? It's option number D, Kelsen. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Chapter 6 of the UN Charter deals with the Pacific settlements of dispute, correct. The purpose of United Nations Organization is world peace, correct. The Security Council comprises of 14 members, wrong. It's 15 members, 5 members are permanent and 10 members are non-permanent on rotation basis. The non-permanent members are elected by General Assembly for the period of 3 years, wrong. It's for period of 2 years. So answer will be A and B, option number A. Next question is, under the Companies Act 2013, which of the following company is required to constitute a corporate social responsibility committee? A company having net worth of rupees 500 crore or more, correct. Company having turnover of rupees 1000 crore or more, correct. Company having net profit of rupees 5 crore or more, correct. Company having net profit of 2 crore or more during any financial year, wrong. So answer will be option number C. Next question is, various legislation relating to human rights in India are given below. Arrange them in chronological order since 1955. So answer will be option number B, as Protection of Civil Rights Act is from 1955. Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act is 1956. Bonded Labor System Abolition Act is from 1976, and Child Labor Prohibition Act and Regulation Act is from 1986. Next question is, choose the correct selection of Competition Act 2000, which provides that no enterprise shall abuse its dominant position. Answer is option number A, Section 4. Section 9 says Selection Committee. Section 8 talks about Composition Commission. And Section 6 talks about Regulation of Combination. Next question is, the word tort has been derived from Latin word tortrum, option number B. Next question is, in which of the following cases it was held that there is no distinction between de facto and de jure recognition for the purpose of giving effect to the international acts of the recognized authority? It's option number A, Luther versus Sagar. Next, human dignity is the quintessence of human rights. This has been said by option number B, Justice J.S. Verma. Next question is, the expression minority is a relative term and is referred to represent the linguistic or religious sections or group forming less than the total population of the state. This was stated by a Supreme Court in which of the following cases? It's option A, TMA Pai Foundation versus State of Karnataka, 2002. Next question is, match the following. Exemplary damages, Sterlite Industries. Evolution of cleanliness of various fuels, Voreland Committee. Public Trust Doctrine, MC Mehta versus Kamalnath. Right of each generation to benefit from the past generation and to preserve such heritage for future. Intergenerational equity. So answer will be option number B. Next question is, Professor Dicey gave the following three meanings of rule of law. Absence of arbitrary power or supremacy of law, equality before law. The Constitution is the result of the ordinary law of land. Out of above aspects, which of the following apply to Indian system? यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली बात है, इंडियन सिस्टम का पूछ रहा है, तो इसमें आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए एंड ऑप्शन नंबर बी. So final answer will be option number A. Next question is, read the following statement in the light of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Section 7 deals with the capacity of male Hindu to take adoption. Correct. Section 13 deals with the valid adoption not to be cancelled. It's wrong. ये Section 15 deal करता है. Section 12 deals with the effect of adoption. Correct. Section 15 deals with the right of adoptive parents to dispose of their properties. Wrong. ये Section 13 deal करता है. D and D ऑप्शन को इन्होंने इंटरचेंज कर दिया है. ऐसे काफी कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चंस देखने को मिल सकते हैं पेपर के अंदर. तो फाइनल आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. Next question is, match the following provisions with the section under Consumer Protection Act 1986. ये वाला क्वेश्चन हम नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज जो 1986 का कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन का एक्ट है वो रिपील हो चुका है और अब 2019 का एक नया एक्ट आया है. तो हम खाली सेक्शंस देखेंगे, जो पॉइंट्स गिवन है, जो प्रोविजंस गिवन है, उसके सेक्शंस क्या बनते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में हम सिर्फ वो देखेंगे, हम ये वाले सेक्शंस नहीं देखेंगे. सो जुरिसडिक्शन फॉर ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम, उसका सेक्शन है सेक्शन 34. Composition of the State Commission इसका सेक्शन है 42. Composition of National Commission इसका सेक्शन है 54. और Circuit Benches of the State Commission ये हट गया है, ये रिमूव हो गया है by the 2020 notification regarding Consumer Protection Act. तो इसका कोई सेक्शन नहीं है क्योंकि रिमूव हो चुका है एंड बाकी सबके ये सेक्शंस हैं. Next question is, under Muslim law, marriage with a woman whose husband is alive is option number C, void. Next question is, every Hindu is bound to maintain his or her legitimate or illegitimate minor Hindu children. Correct. Under Section 2, Subclause 2 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, a legitimate or illegitimate minor child may claim maintenance from his or her father or mother. Correct. So answer will be option number C. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question is, in which of the following cases are Supreme Court held that so far as the guarantee of equal protection in Article 14 is concerned, any state action, executive, legislative, or judicial which contravenes Article 14 is void. Is its answer number C, Buddhan versus State of Bihar. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India has specifically said that federal structure is the basic feature of constitution? Is option number B, A. S.R. Bomani versus Union of India. Next question is, arrange the following enactment in chronological order enacted to provide social justice. Equal Remuneration Act, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, Maternity Benefit Act. Equal Remuneration Act जो है वो 1976 में आया था. Immoral Traffic Prevention Act जो है वो 1956 में आया था. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act जो है वो 1971 में आया था. And Maternity Benefit Act जो है वो 1961 में आया था. So the answer will be option number C. Next question is, A in India instigates B, a foreigner in Goa, to commit a murder in Goa. A is guilty of option number D, abetting the murder. Next question is, Salmond enumerates 5 characteristics of legal rights. 4 such characteristics are subject of right, object of right, content of right, title of right. The 5th characteristic is the subject of the corresponding duty. Option number D. Next question is, match the following sections of IPC with the provision given under. Section 80, accident in doing a lawful act. Section 82, act of a child under 7 years of age. Section 83, act of a child above 7 years and under 12 years of immature understanding. Section 79, act done by the person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. So, इसका आंसर बनेगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Act done by a person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. Section 17 under BNS Act. Act of a child above 7 years under 12 years of immature understanding. Section 21 of BNS Act, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Act of a child under 7 years of age. Section 20 BNS. Accident in doing lawful act. Section 18 under BNS. अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट होगा जो दिसंबर 2024 में अटेम्प्ट होगा उसमें आईपीसी भी आ सकती है, भारतीय न्याय संहिता भी आ सकती है. तो दोनों के प्रोविजंस पता होने बहुत जरूरी है. तो इसलिए आप जब भी आप रिवाइज करें या पढ़िए तो बीएनएस की भी प्रोविजंस जो है उन सबको भी ध्यान में रखते हुए उनको भी साथ साथ पढ़ते हुए चलिए ताकि आप लोग के लिए ईजी रहे पेपर. Next question is, which of the following statements is not correct in regard to distinction between civil and criminal liability? It's option number B, civil liability entails punishment, whereas criminal liability results into damages. Next question is, whoever attempts to commit robbery shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for term which may extend to 7 years and shall also liable for fine. Section 393 for IPC provides for rigorous punishment which may extend to 7 years and fine for the offence of attempt to commit robbery. Both the statements are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, arrange the provisions of Hindu Succession Act 1956 in chronological order, section wise. Presumption in case of stimulus death, section 21. Failure of heirs, section 29. Act not to apply certain properties, section 5. Full blood preferred to half blood, section 18. So, answer will be option number C. Next question, which of the following provision was inserted by Act 22 of 2018 in IPC? It's option number B, punishment for rape on women under 12 years of age. Section 376 AB was inserted by Act 22 of 2018. ये amendment हुआ था 2018 के अंदर. Next, legal sovereignty in India resides in the Constitution itself and not in the people of India. The idea was expressed in which of one of the following cases by Supreme Court of India. It's option number C, State of West Bengal versus Union of India. Next question is, Section 49 of Information Technology Act deals with provision relating to option number C, composition of Cyber Appellate Tribunal. Next question is, arrange the following judgments on tort in chronological order. Option A, Asby versus White, 1703, MC Mehta versus Union of India, 1987, Reland versus Fletcher, 1868, Donoghue versus Stephenson, 1932. So option will be B. Next question is, the Supreme Court in regard to Section 34 of IPC observed that the existence of a common intention among the participants in the crime is the essential element for the application of the section. It is not necessary that the act of the several persons charged with the commission of an offence jointly must be the same or identically similar. In which of the following case the above observation was made by the Supreme Court? It's option number A, Ashok Kumar versus State of Punjab. Next question, Article 371F, special provisions with respect to the state of Sikkim was inserted by option number D, the Constitution 36 Amendment Act. Next question is, match the list 1 with list 2. USA versus Italy, case concerning Electronica Secula. Salvador versus Honduras, land, island and maritime dispute case. Spain versus Canada, fishery jurisdiction. Yugoslavia versus USA, legality use of force. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute between Government of India and one or more states. Correct. The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute between Government of India and state or states on one side and one or more states on the other side. Correct. Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute between Government of India and any individual on one side or and state one or more on the other side. It's wrong. The Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in any dispute in India and wrong. यहाँ पे any है दोनों में, तो ये statement गलत है. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, the provision under Copyright Act is given as under. Section 52B deals with the provision related to accounts and audit. It's correct according to 2019. But after that, ये section जो है वो delete हो गया था. तो 2019 के पेपर के हिसाब से ये correct है statement. Section 53A deals with the recent shared rights and original copies. Correct. Section 52 deals with importation of infringing copies. It's wrong. Section 53 deal करता है. Section 53 deals with a certain acts not to be infringement of the copyright. It's wrong. Section 52 deal करता है. इसको भी change कर दिया है. वैसा वैसा कर दिया है इन्होंने. So answer will be option number D. Next question is, to constitute the offense of theft under IPC, there must be taking away of the movable property, correct. Without the consent of the person, correct. Taking away the immovable property, wrong. With the consent of the person, wrong. So answer will be option number B. Section 378 talks about theft in IPC and 303 in BNS. Next question is, the essential characteristics of federation in USA are supremacy of constitution, correct. Distribution of powers among the various organs of the federation and of regional units of federation by the provision of constitution, correct. Judicial review or enforcement of that supreme constitution as law, correct. Rule of law, wrong. ये UK का है. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, match the following sections of Copyright Act with the provision given under it. Section 2O, meaning of literary work. Section 38, performer right. Section 37, broadcast for reproduction right. Section 2XX, meaning of sound recording. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, which of the following is not correct under Muslim law? In the gift transaction, delivery of process is necessary. In a will is not required. Correct. Doctrine of Mushaha is also applicable in case of disposition of by will. Wrong. Doctrine of Mushaha means address the gifting of the share of a co-owner property. Right of a donor to a gift is unrestricted by right of making a request is limited in two ways. Correct? After completion, a gift cannot be revoked unless by the formal decree of a court. A will may be revoked at any time after making it. Correct. So answer will be option number B. Next question is, the concept of universalism is based on natural theory, theory of rationalism, theory of positivism. Theory of cultural relativism is wrong. So answer will be option number B. Next question is, which one of the following cannot be treated as delivery under the sale of goods at 1930? Doing anything which has the effect of putting goods in the possession of legal representative of seller. It's wrong. So answer will be option number A. Next, Section 3(1) of the Trademark Act 1999 deals with the provision relating to option number C, appointment of registrar of trademarks. Next question is, match the following. Fisher versus Bell, invitation to trade. Harvey versus Facey, quotation of price. Mohri BP case, minor contract is void. Dunlop versus Selfrid, privity of contract. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, assertion. The liability of surety is coextensive and it cannot go beyond the terms of guarantee. It's correct. Statement is correct. Reason, the right and liabilities of surety and borrower are different and distinct and everything depends upon its terms of guarantee. It's correct. Reason जो है वो correct explanation है of assertion. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, which of the following is not correct under Section 8 of Hindu Succession Act 1956? The property of Hindu male dying in state shall devolve. Firstly, upon class 1 hair of the disease, correct. Secondly, upon class 2 hair of disease, correct. Thirdly, upon ignates of all disease, correct. Fourthly, upon the government, wrong. So answer will be option number D. Next question is, match the following. Article 153 states governor of the states. Article 154 executive power of state. Article 155 appointment of governor. Article 156 term of office of governor. So answer will be option number B. Next question is, Section 9 of Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 provides for option number A, prohibition of registration of certain geographical indication. Next question is, choose the correct option year-wise. Some of the notification under Environment Protection Act 1986 is listed below. Coastal Regulation Zone is 1994. Environmental Auditing 1992. Environmental Impact Assessment 1994. Dumping and Disposal of Fish Ash 1999. So answer will be option number A. Next question is, whoever by words either spoken or written or by sign or by visible representation or otherwise bring or attempts to bring in hatred or contempt or exercise or attempt to excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India amounts to offence. Sedition, option number B. Defamation, sedition, criminal conspiracy, assault. इन चारों के सेक्शंस आईपीसी और बीएनएस दोनों की गिवन है, एक बार पढ़ लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which one of the following is not within the scope of implied authority of a partner? It's option number C, the act of acquiring immovable property on behalf of the firm. Next question is, which of the following are true about bill of exchange? A bill of exchange requires in its inception 2 parties. Wrong, it requires 3 parties. A bill of exchange or draft is a written order by the drawer or drawee to pay money to the payee. Correct. Bill of exchange are primarily used in the international trade and are written orders by one person to his bank to pay the bearer a specific sum on a specific date. Correct. Definition of bill of exchange is mentioned in section 6 of Negotiable Instrument Act. It's wrong. Section 5 में mentioned है. So answer will be option number C. Next question is, arrange the following judgments in the Supreme Court on the issue of constitutionality of death penalty in chronological order. राजेंद्र प्रसाद वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी 1979 में आया था. मच्छी सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब जो है 1983 में आया था. जगमोहन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी 1972 में आया था. बच्चन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब 1980 में आया था. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ओनरशिप कैन बी लीगल एंड वेस्टेड ओनरशिप. रॉन्ग. लीगल एंड इक्विटेबल ओनरशिप करेक्ट. एब्सोल्यूट एंड लिमिटेड ओनरशिप करेक्ट. ट्रस्ट एंड बेनिफिशियल ओनरशिप करेक्ट. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Next question is, starting from earliest, arrange the following countries in chronological order where the Office of Ombudsman was created. Sweden 1809, United Kingdom 1981, Switzerland 1962, Finland 1990. So answer will be option number B. Next question is, in which of the following situations the quasi-contract doctrine is not applied? In disputes regarding payment for goods delivered or services rendered with a formal contract. It's option number A. Quasi-contracts वो contract होते हैं जो resemble करते हैं contract की तरह, वो actual contract नहीं होते. तो इसके अंदर जब formal contract की बात हो रही है तो ये quasi-contract नहीं हो सकता. So answer will be option number A. This is the last question of this video. जब भी आप यूजीसी नेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करें तो प्लीज़ PYQs को रेफर करें, क्योंकि यूजीसी नेट के पेपर में काफ़ी बार रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और ये हेल्प करते हैं आपकी रिवीजन में, आपकी प्रिपरेशन में. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.